in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Virgil got a paddock on my wrist going nuts. Niggas caught me slipping once, okay, so what?
What's up, guys? It's your boy Jakor, you know what I'm saying? Otherwise known as Surge, you know what I'm saying? But I just wanted to welcome to my channel. This is my first YouTube vlog ever. You know, I plan on having this for a long time. I'm gonna try to say y'all as much content, as much bangers as possible. I'm gonna be at every car meet, every car show, every slab show, slab Sundays, everything. Anything dealing with car, motors, trucks, that's what all this channel is gonna be about. What can I say, man? Like I said, this is my first YouTube channel. I'm new at this, so you gotta bear with me. The more videos I produce, the more content I produce for you guys, more y'all watch it, get more views, and y'all subscribe to my channel. It's gonna help me to help you. You know what I'm saying? To get more better content, better equipment. You feel me? But like I said, this is my first YouTube video, so it's gonna be really cringy. It's gonna be super fucking cringy. You know, but I'm gonna get better at it. The more I do, I'm gonna get way better at it. But we gotta start somewhere, you know. Today's video is gonna be mainly about my trucking crew. We had a truck meet last night. This is actually the night after, so the morning after the truck meet. I was just really tired and really didn't want to, you know what I'm saying, do an intro. Really didn't want to do an intro like that, but yeah, so last night we had a truck meet. It was a pretty good turnout. You know what I'm saying? Wasn't nothing too crazy. We not no super big truck meet or nothing like that. I mean, truck crew, nothing like that. But it wasn't nothing too crazy. But hey, it was a good turnout for us. You feel me? But yeah, you know what I'm saying? Like I said, man, we're gonna try to continue to put these bangers out for y'all as much as possible, man. As much as possible. You know, I got my monologue right here. You know what I'm saying? Here it is. I got a lot of let's say Hispanic friends. So my Spanish gonna be off. But hey, this is what it is. You know. But I'm gonna do a very in-depth build. A detail what all done to the truck so far. But hey, you know what I'm saying? You gotta follow the Instagram at Surge TV __. There go our crew. There go my crew right there. Bad intentions. Yes, sir. I'm gonna get rid of all of the metal stickers on that later. But yeah, like I said, I'm gonna do a in-depth review of my truck so far, of my build so far. But this is my build. 1994 OBS truck, man. But that's just a little about that. That's in the next video. That's in a future video. So stay tuned. You know, I want y'all to follow me on the build. I'm gonna build this truck as much as possible, man. Man, I can't wait. Let's get in the video. Yes, sir. We got our boy and bitch ass. What's up, nigga? Damn, ho. Come park over here. Oh, park behind me. My truck over there. Come around right here. Huh? Yeah, just come behind me. Yeah. can't stand this nigga, bro. Yeah. The whole crew out here, y'all. You feel me? The whole crew out here. Motherfucking family. First vlog.
Your car got a little camera going on.
Yeah, I know. I'm gonna fix it though. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna fix it though. My other one in the truck. Huh.
Oh, shit.
You know what I'm saying?
You wanna film the mud truck?
Oh look.
That was
Yeah. We gotta get the whole crew first. Get the whole crew first. For the win, baby. Oh yes, sir. Oh yes, sir. Yes, sir. Y'all already know what it is. You feel me? It's so hard as fuck. It's hard. It's so hard as hell, man. There you go. We got here, man. First car meet, man. First fucking car meet. It is what it is. You feel me? First vlog on the channel. Feel me? Yes, sir. That bitch right there, that's a bad motherfucker right there. Yeah. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Damn. It's a nasty crew cab right here. It's a nasty crew cab. Yeah, that's it's Spider-Man here, yeah. It's Spider-Man. God. Okay. That's the crew. What y'all want to shout out to, man? Revolution.
Hey, in the bag. In the bag.
Yes, sir.
You want to check my bag shirt, bro? Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Well, shout out to Revolution, man. Yes, sir.
Grave truquito, güey.
Yes, sir. You already know I had to get the car, bro. You already know I had to get the car. Come on now. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Everybody power to his shit. Can I get a flashlight? There you go. Let me get a flashlight. Yeah, there you go.
Exactly.
There you go.
Exactly. Exactly.
There you go. There you go. Welds.
What happened to you? Ain't nobody touching you, bro.
Hey, bro, so what y'all got done to the car?
Oh, shit, you're crazy.
Yeah, what y'all got done to the car?
Nothing, just cams.
Cam, that's it, huh? All right.
Both cams.
100, that's football's on cam. I respect that. I respect that. Yeah, yeah.
If Colton did weight response and fucking exhaust systems. Oh, yeah.
Come on. Go ahead. It's open. Come on, let's go.